You mean Long Island?
That's what I said.
Super.
Long Island. Look at this. Did you see this is on my floor? She put it on my floor. Look at her. Get it off me.
Say it, Jessica.
Get it off me.
Get it off
Cute.
me.
Just keep it on her.
She's cute.
Eat that.
Eat that.
Turn off the... I can't do it.
Back to the pro.
Get it off me.
Hello there. Just kidding.
What was on the floor?
There was kicks on my floor. It's just a little ball of cereal that attracts the mice. You know what happens? You know what happens when we get mice, don't you? Bigger animals come to eat the mice. So we're gonna have deer walking up and down the hallway. I'm just kidding. I don't know what to do. Is it
Get it off.
What, Jessica? Get the camera. Where's my phone? Where?
Right there.
right there.
Hello? Yes.
Is this still on? Oh, just,
Okay, here.
well, oh, you want me to take it?
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah.
Here's Cynthia. Cynthia Video Moscoso. Did I say it right?
I am, yeah, I am.
Weeson. Oh, he's not even up there anymore. Don't know what
The only thing
happened.
is, I don't have a car, so I wouldn't be able to go. That's why I haven't been going.